Step into the Kia 2019 Soul. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are 1.6-liter inline four-cylinder DOHC engine, 201 horsepower, 4 doors, 4-wheel ABS brakes, air conditioning with climate control, audio controls on steering wheel, auto-shift manual transmission, Bluetooth and clock-in radio display. If you are looking for a new car, this might be the one. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. Don't let this vehicle get away. Call or click to schedule a test drive today.